Hello guys, welcome all of you on Saur Babbar. Today we'll talk about the marketing plan of the company in India. In this you will be told how you can earn money in Forever Living and what are the benefits to you. The Aloe Vera Company. Forever Living is also known as the Aloe Vera Company and a special thing is seen here. A normal person is also taking unusual results. Forever Living Products. Forever Living Products is a network marketing company. There are some points in it so that you will know how to do the work. You are your joining is free. Yeah, you never pay for the joining. You can also joining done online. It is also free. You do not need to buy a kit separately at least. You will have to buy products worth 1000 rupees after your joining. There is no need to pay renewal and annual fees. You have to take joining once only in your life. You are given taking free 90 to 95 trainings is done by a company in a month. There is no need to pay fees for trainings, online trainings and any auditorium. You are also personally given online trainings by your applying. Works in the Forever Living Generation Plan. That means you do not need to any lakhs maintain. Here you can earn money from both at home and abroad. You get the quality of products the same in every country. 11 ways you can income earn which you will now to the next slide. Note, joining is done differently in every country. Only joinings because all countries have different currencies and rules. So joining is different for every country. How can you make international joining in description for your facility? I have given a link to its PDF which you can do joining from anywhere in 160 plus countries. What is the eligibility for joining Forever Living? You must be 18 years of age. You must have an Aadhaar card and PAN card. The company gives you income with electronic clearance proof, means ECS through. You can also give the first copy of the check and self-attested passbook. What is the backbone in Forever Living? That means what is the background? Forever Living began in 1978 Phoenix, Arizona. Forever Living in India has been 20 years. Its turn in India in 500 crores. Worldwide turnover nearly by 28,000 crores and over 1 crore distribution and user in India. Over 2200 offices in India, 22 offices in 160 plus countries. Have a look at a product. Most FLP products have worldwide patented, so they are unique. World leader in aloe vera and beehives. Our 10,000 acres of aloe vera fields best Spanish feeds of the bees. Accepted by most health conscious countries like Japan and Gulf. What is the difference in traditional business and Forever Living business? For a traditional business, in traditional business there are many middlemen between manufacturing and consumer to deliver the product from the manufacturer to the consumer, because of which the cost increasing like outsourcing, manufacturing cost, national distribution, regional distribution, wholesaler, retailer, TV ads, then consumer. And Forever Living vertically integrated companies. In manufacture, packaging, labeling, and distribution is done by the company itself. In all countries, but people need FBO to deliver the products to the consumer, which we do FBOs. The middleman, though the middle money in traditional business taking the middleman. In Forever Living FBO getting the same money which is the 70% of its distribution. You also get money rewards in Forever Living to see on the screen. This is the first level that's spoken apart from Novus customer. You get 15% off on every products purchased in it. Forever business based on CC. What is CC? CC is common currency, company currency, and cash credit. To avoid variations in prices, taxes, and currencies. For doing business globally, system has designed a globally common currencies that is called CC. Worldwide, each product given as per its price respectively. 1 CC is equal to 1000. Next is assistant supervisor, means wholesaler. Now we will talk about the assistant supervisor level, how will you achieve it, and what can be its benefit. That is 8 qualification. What is 8 qualification? For 8 qualification you have to level 2 CC. That means 2000 points have to be made for this. You have to buy some products for selling or for yourself using. For self ID within 2 months for learning purpose. Benefit of all seller qualification for lifetime. Discounted 30% on each product. Personal bonus 5% or BRP. You get NDP, it means new distribution profit plus BP मतलब कि personal bonus to associate and selling others. New distribution profit 15% of purchasing amount, 5% personal bonus of BRP. Some of these levels will benefit you a lot and you have to achieve it once in your life. The discount that you get on every product you start from 15% on the new customer, and by the time you become a manager it will go up to 48%. If you associate a new person, then with him he get 20% in his starting, and now after become a manager you get a profit 33%. As your level increasing, your discount as new distribution profit will also increasing, but you become a new distributor but you only getting a discounted profit. Tell me one more thing. You have to do the assistant supervisor level yourself. After the all the levels you have to achieve with your team. Your discount is 30%, but your personal bonus increasing from 5 to 18%. In this way, your discount in 48% at manager level. Now discount distribution profit in 15%, but your personal bonus increasing for 5 to 18%. From this you get 33% profit on becoming manager. Next, require 2 consecutive months for all qualification. Last month become your backup month, and that is the good news. Good news for all become upcoming managers. After becoming an assistant supervisor, you qualify the manager in 4 months. Then you become qualification manager. If you have to achieve any levels, then you have to do it in 2 consecutive months, but After becoming a assistant supervisor, you get 4 months into qualify you as manager. Wow. Team bonuses, it's a wonderful income. Here the team bonus is the beginning of the other income, which is also the different income. There are the certain level that we achieve with our team, then we become a manager. Our team also consists of assistant manager, supervisor, assistant supervisor, and there is an income of difference between them, which is our above the level of assistant supervisor. Manager possible income. Wow, manager's income. After become a manager, I am explaining how much you income can with some strategies that I am showing you in this slide. More to know about 4CC active qualification. To qualification for you are bonuses for as assistant supervisor and above, you must have to have at least 4CC active business. More benefits, all levels are permanent, no pass up and no position overtaking. Bonuses percentage same in every turnover getting down. Now your business getting inherited to your family. Car plan, one more income. Wow, great, is my favorite. Car plan, you must be manager to achieve a car plan. We get 3 months to achieve this. Will we have to achieve it together with the whole team, and it has a level 3 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. If we achieved any of these levels, then we get an amount which we get for 33 months. We can take our car with it. Leadership bonus and jump bonus is one more income. Wow, great, this is an best incentive. After you becoming a manager, you become a manager in your direct and in your team, then you also getting an income from those managers. Wow, wonderful income. Yeah, trips and your more incomes. You like trips, tours, and that is giving you one more income. Domestic expenses trips for couples and all expenses paid by company. Exotic trip around the world for couple. Chairman bonus is a 3% of turnover to getting paid by chairman in US with the trip. Wow. Chairman bonus, how to achieve? You also getting the chairman bonus in 3 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. There are some pictures of who achieved the chairman bonuses, level 1, level 2 and level 3. Here you write, you check on your own. A roadmap, road to manager, how to achieve manager level. Learn the business plan, learn the products, build the massive action plan, read company literatures, identify and help 5 business part of become supervisor. Read some books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Business School by Robert Kiyosaki. Our responsibility. Train you about company products, plan profile. Orientation, how to generate leads and build the network. Generation work from social media, websites and online promotion. orientation for trainings. The above two others make you a team leaders, make you able for group discussion, people speaking, and skill empowerment. Today we have take a way to write to say that you never had any opportunity. And then you like this presentation, then you share with your team, like this video and comment this video and subscribe and share in your with your team.